Hi, this is Lab 3, question 2. Let's read it together. A leap year in a Georgian calendar is the year which in February has 29 days. It's known that a year is leap if it's divisible by 4, unless year is a century year, like 1800, 1900, 2000, etc. In which case it must be divisible by 400. In logical terms, a year is leap if either of the following conditions holds. If year is divisible by 4 but not 100, or divisible by 400. So here you have this program that asks the user to enter the year and then decides whether it's leap or not. However, one important expression is missing. Complete and run the program using this data given below. So look here, we have this code. First, you need to understand that the user is going to enter a value of year, as you can see here in this part of the code. Please enter year, please, and see any year in a variable of data type integer. When the user here enters the year, we need to decide if this year is leap or not. What is the leap? In Arabic is as-sana al-kabisa. We mean by the year leap is the definition which is given here in the question. And here it's giving us in the logic terms, which means that we are going to use in our code the logical operators. So look here, it's telling us the year is leap if either of the following condition holds. It means that if this condition is true or this condition is true. So now we know that we have two big conditions. In between of them we are going to use the or operator. Now let's take a look at this one. Year is divisible by 4 but not 100. It means that the year is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. So here in this first condition we have also to combine between two conditions of and the second condition is divisible by 400. It's only one condition. So now if we want to write this part, you can write the divisible by 4 like this. Year modulus 4 equal 0. This is the condition that I want to check. What do we mean by divisible by 4? It means the number of the year. If I divide it over 4, it will give me a remainder equals to 0. This is the mean of word divisible. And not divisible by 100, it means that if I get the remainder of the division of year over 100, I will not get 0. So actually we want to check those three parts and combine them with the logical operators. So let's see here what we have in the code. In the code, as we said, we have this integer year and we have Boolean variables. Divisible by 4, divisible by 100, divisible by 400, and leap. So those 4 variables, I can save inside them 1 or 0. I can save it in true or false. So after I get the year from the user, I define 3 of those variables. For example, divisible by 4, I'm writing year modulus 4 equal 0. So this Boolean expression, whatever it will return, if it is true or false, 1 or 0, it will be saved in this divisible by 4. And it depends on what? On the value of the year that the user entered. So as I told you here, if I want to write the condition for the leap, depending on the equation or depending on the definition given to us, we can write the following. Remember here again the leap is Boolean, so I can write inside it a Boolean expression that it will return a true or false. So we said from the definition the year is leap if it is, or we want to check if it is divisible by 4. So divisible, we said just to take the remainder over 4, which is using the modulus equal 0. And this year is not divisible by 100. So the remainder equals 0. I can just here put this one and using the not logical operator. So like this here in the first condition, I'm checking that the year, if it is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, or the other condition, so I'm going to use the or, and the other condition was that the year, is it divisible by 400. So to translate that into code, year modulus 400 equal 0. So I want to check if it is, let's check the brackets, are they correct? Okay, so this is here the Boolean expression that can be represented or can be written to represent the leap Boolean variable. So if this one is the true, if leap, which means if leap equal true or equal 1, I'm going to display that the year is leap. Otherwise, in the else, I'm going to display that the year is not leap. Now, instead of writing the expression here, it's already, as we said, defined in those variables. So instead of here modulus 4 equal 0, just I can put divisible by 4. And the same here. Instead of this one, just I will remove it and put divisible by 100. And the same for the last one. So this one like this, it will be your final code. I hope you get the idea. If you have any question, feel free to send me an email or you can come to the office hour. Thank you.